I'm Pamela of Pamela's Work, and this is how you play the game. The Patriarchs Deck is made up of 13 families of 4. Each family has a patriarch, and then each patriarch will either have sons, wives, or wives, or he may have all daughters. He may have all sons, or he may have one of each. So you'll be able to easily tell who belongs to what family because the card design is the same for all 4 family members. The only thing that changes is the symbol in the middle, which indicates if they're a husband, a wife, a son, or a daughter. So when you get your deck, you're able to play either of the beginner games or the intermediate games pretty much right out of the box, because those games are based mostly on what the cards look like, and you don't necessarily need to know who the people are. But if you're moving into the expert games, then you are definitely going to want to do the little research project first, which is to go through the whole deck and figure out from your own personal research who came first chronologically. I already have my own little cheat sheet that I use until I can remember who all comes when. But it's a wonderful little project. I actually learned some things about who came first that I did not realize. I thought I had them all down and I wrote them all down, and I was wrong on some of them.
Tong 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 pakitong kitong alimango sa dagat malaki at masarap mahirap mahuli sa pagkat nangangagat.